I'm going to show you the best way to eat a sunflower. Bees are busy on the sunflowers. We're gonna take this one, and this one, and this one. The reason we picked these particular flowers is because they are just the right development for cooking. But we're not gonna cook the whole thing on a barbecue like some people do. That is just awkward to do and awkward to eat. There's a much better way. So you know they're ready when the seeds have not started to turn dark at all yet, but they are quite large, pretty much full size, just white. You want them to be completely white. They're still tender. So we're gonna remove all of this and just wipe off these outside flowers. The center never comes off because those seeds are not as developed and they're not worth trying to harvest anyway. They're just tiny. So just wipe it off until it says it's done. Yeah, see, it just wants to stay there. You say, "Aww." So we'll just leave that there. Now I'll go ahead and remove all of these outside parts. Now you have this. These just pop out. Super easy.
Oh, turkeys.
From this one flower, look how much we got. That's a lot. Now we're just going to saute it in some butter and a little salt, and it is amazing. A little salt. Only takes about 5 minutes. It is so good. It tastes like a cross between corn and artichoke hearts. It's so delicious.